All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got a quick video for you announcing my first ever YouTube live stream tomorrow, Sunday, January 16th, anywhere between 10 a.m. and 11 or 11:30 a.m. In the morning. That's right. We've got the crew once again. We're headed over to my buddy Nadal's house, and Mr. Holy Shift is going to be upgrading his Electra Glide 2020 to a complete stage 2. We're going to do it live stream. So I'm going to be live streaming the entire install. And then I'm going to have my computer with me, and I'm going to be staffing the live chat real time, showing you step by step, talking you through it. This is going to be live, so you're going to catch everything as it happens, unedited, raw, as it happens. A lot of the crew is going to be there tomorrow. We've got Jerry, we've got Glenn, we've got Nadal, of course, Mr. Holy Shift, yours truly, Fly and Ride. And we thought this would be a really cool way to give you a chance to ask us questions real time. Many of you really enjoyed the last video series that I did doing a full stage 2 on Nadal's 2021 Road Glide CVO. And many of you had lots of questions afterwards on the comments, which I thoroughly enjoyed. I've responded to all of them. So I'm giving all of you a chance to join us live tomorrow, share your thoughts, and join us for the fun, and also ask us any questions live. We will do our best to answer them. The length of time we'll run the live stream is TBD. At minimum, we're going to do it for half an hour or for an hour. But depending on how it goes and depending on the engagement and how many of you join us, we can actually run it for long. So make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be reminded when we go live. If you're new to the channel, I'm Fly and Ride. And on this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right there. I also feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI Mavic 2 drone. And we also do test rides, upgrades like this one, all sorts of things, all riding my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see back there. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. And so you can be reminded anytime I do future live streams. One of the advantages of now getting to over 1,000 subscribers, thank you, by the way, is we get to go live on YouTube, and I'm going to be trying it out for the first time tomorrow. So you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be a blast. We're going to have a good time, and we'll answer your questions real time. So looking forward to seeing you tomorrow, anywhere between 10 or 11:30 a.m. Eastern, January 16th, Fly and Ride's first ever live YouTube, doing a full stage 2 on a 2020 Electra Glide. See you there. Thanks for watching.